All right, YouTube, I'm back. It's been a while. Last video I did, I think, was about some wheel sets for some road bikes and stuff like that. So it's been a while, and so glad to be back on. This is a video that I thought should be done because there's not many videos on this rifle. This is the Christensen Arms CA-15 G2. There's not a lot of videos out there, so I just wanted to put this up. I got a great deal on this from my local gun shop. It's brand new. A very good deal. So like half off, if you will. Let's talk about this. Okay, what are the specs? This is a fantastic rifle. I wanted to get me something nice. I had something I'd put together. It was just like a Frankenstein gun. So this is something I picked up that I really wanted to share. So this is kind of special. In that, it's Christensen Arms. It's a billet upper and lower receiver, 775, aluminum grade steel, right? Flared mag wells, because you can do that really nicely with billet. And so I'll just go from the back right here. This comes standard with the BCM buttstock right there. I love this buttstock because it's very stiff. It doesn't wobble, locks in place really nicely. I did add that M plate right there. It's a BCM M plate with the QD point as well for a single point sling. I did also change out the mag pull grip that it came with. This is also a BCM Gunfighter Mod 2, which comes with, this is really cool. You got these, there's 3 different attachments that you can put on there and also here in the front, so it could fit you just really nicely. This also comes with a Trigger Tech drop-in trigger. This is an awesome competition style trigger. Really crisp, and it's just awesome. Thing's great. It does come with the, let's see what else. Oh, it does come, let's go to the barrel now. The barrel is a 223 Wild 1-in-8 twist match chamber. Stainless steel 416R stainless steel chamber, barrel, and it's carbon fiber wrapped. You can see that in there. It's a carbon fiber wrap barrel. Makes it lighter. There's some other properties that they say it has that, but I don't know about all that, but it's cool. They call this a Gucci gun, I guess. But I don't think this one really qualifies as Gucci gun. I got the great deal. I think what Christensen Arms is doing right now is they're trying to get rid of their inventory on these rifles. Maybe they weren't moving so much because that handguard that it usually comes with is also supposed to be carbon fiber, which makes it super light. This one, it's the same profile, same design as the carbon fiber handguard, but they made it in 775 aluminum, and the lockup is really good right there. It also comes with a 3-prong flash hider. Looks like it's proprietary from them, stainless steel, I believe. Just a really, really nice rifle. And the BCG that it comes with, let me go ahead and show you that. BCG that it comes with also has Christensen Arms on there. That's a black nitride barrel. And I also changed out and put a Radian Raptor charging handle because the one that it comes with is a mil-spec type. And I thought that, a rig like this really should not have that. So, and I really like that Radian Raptor. Like, it's really popular one. A lot of people like that too. This is not the scope I'm going to keep on it. I'm trying to figure that out, what I'm going to be doing in terms of scopes. But just wanted to have something on it at least right now that I had laying around. And it's a very inexpensive one, but it's pretty good. Let's see here. What else can I tell you about this? I have not put any rounds down range on this yet, so I'll make a follow-up video with that. But I really have not seen many videos on this rifle. It's just like I'm quite surprised. I know that Christensen Arms is really known for their bolt action rifles, and this one doesn't get a lot of notoriety, but it's a fantastic rifle, looks like. So I can't wait to shoot it. I'm really giddy about it. One thing about this rifle is that this is California neutered, if you will. You cannot release the magazine unless you break apart the action. Yeah, California. Believe me, I didn't vote for those guys, but I still have to live under it as long as I'm here. So, guys, appreciate all of you. We'll see you at the top, and I'll post up a follow-up video after I take this for an outing. Thanks a lot. Take care.